First line William J. Anderson, who is a professor at Acadia University, has recently compiled a book of quotations from Shakespeare, An examination of the book shows that we do not have to go to the theatre to hear the language of Shakespeare, for we use his terms and phrases constantly in our everyday speech, Second line, we are so familiar with the many conveniences which science has put within our reach that we do not realize or appreciate the debt we owe to science, Constant use and familiarity with the various time-saving and labor-saving devices tend to make us overlook their tremendous value, The contributions to our comfort and convenience by men of scientific training are continuous, and they have made the modern world a wonderful place to live in, Third line, the treasurer prepares a statement of the financial condition of the company annually, In the case of a public corporation, this statement is usually sent to the stockholders, A comparison with previous annual reports, or balance sheets, shows whether the year's trading has been more or less profitable, Fourth line, it is the practice of large insurance firms to invest the bulk of their funds in first mortgages on buildings, homes, and farms, It is considered that real estate is less liable to sudden changes in value, and, therefore, there is less danger of the companies having to suffer any financial loss through a sudden drop in the value of their holdings, Fifth line, dear sir, will you please consider my application for the position of treasurer in your organization, I believe that I have the necessary qualifications and experience, and I enclose a summary of them for your information, If it is convenient, I shall appreciate an opportunity to discuss my application with you, and any questions you may desire to ask can be answered fully during the course of our interview, Yours respectfully, comma,